Well, good afternoon guys, and welcome back to this short video. Now this video is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to introduce another short project that I'm going to do. Yes, I know, another project. I said I wouldn't do it, but hey ho, this isn't going to be a long one. Now this is an Aprilia RSV 1000 Mille, and as you can see is in pretty shocking condition. Now this bike's actually been written off. I'm sure it's rolled over or gone into a ditch or something. It's had a pretty bad life and it's due to be put into boxes for parts. But before we do that, myself and Ian, a friend of mine, this is his workshop, we're going to give it one last lease of life and we're going to turn this bike into a track bike. So in a couple of months time we're going to take this down to Brands Hatch and give it a thrashing on one of their track days. So we've got a lot of work to do. We've got all the bits and pieces here. Some of the panels are okay, some of them are not. Got a new nose cone there, and we're having real problems here with the fuel delivery, and we've just lifted the tank and noticed that one of the fuel lines is actually split in half. Now this is probably because it's been upside down and it's had a good whack. So we've got a fair bit of work to do on the fuel delivery system before we can get it to start properly. But we have got some easy starts, so we're going to give it a try in a minute and see if we can just get it to turn over and fire. We're not even sure if this thing has a spark kit, so we do need to check that. It's a bit of an unknown bike, but I think it's going to be a pretty cool track bike. All this will come off. Anything that we don't need will take off, and we'll just make it a bare matte black track bike. And I'll take you guys with me and we'll put the camera on. But yeah, we're going to do this over the next couple of months on and off, so do stick with me on this channel and you can see us working on this. We've got a lot of work to do to get it mechanically right. So I'm just going to empty this fuel tank out so we can lift it off and have a look at the airbox underneath. Just before we turn it over, I want to make sure there's no squirrels living in there and we're not sucking anything into the engine that we shouldn't be. So we're just going to pop this airbox off and have a quick look, and then we'll check there's a spark. Now this is a V-twin, but it's got 4 spark plugs, so that's 2 per bore, which is pretty odd. But there you go, you see we've got a brilliant spark there, so we're quite happy with that. We checked all 4. So we're just going to use the easy start here to give it a go and see if it turns over and see if it fires. And if it does, in the next video we'll do a lot more work in getting that fuel system back together. So join us in the next video, we'll delve into more and try and get this thing running.